windows down. Now it become
windows are down in her car.
In her car.
And
I'm
you're outside.
standing out there.
Okay.
So now it become like a verbal thing. Oh, yeah.
My mama, like, talk to me, hit me, don't hit my mama. My mama ain't got nothing. I got a bet in self-defense, like, you finna pull out a gun on me. So I'm standing up here, I'm like, bro, wait, you my uncle, bro. You my uncle, his house.
Yeah, I get it, you're upset.
These niggas got this. I swear to God, they do. I swear to God, I swear to God.
On October 12th, 2024, a family dispute outside a store escalated into chaos. A pregnant woman claimed she was slapped and threatened, holding a bat in self-defense, while a man allegedly brandished a gun. Police arrived to investigate, but conflicting stories, refusal to share video evidence, and rising emotions created confusion. With family members arguing and tensions high, the scene became dangerous and chaotic, leaving law enforcement struggling to restore order.
Who drives that?
That's my friend's car, Ashley.
Who? Who's in it right now?
Who do you know is driving it now? Someone's driving it right now. Who's in it?
That's my friend.
Call him right now. So where were you just now?
I was just right here in the store. They just dropped me
Come
off.
here.
They just dropped me off.
Come on, over here. Just gonna talk to you separate, if you don't mind talking to me. Okay, so you just gave your truck.
Everybody out here, so they know she talking about me. So I'm like, why y'all disrespect my mama in front of everybody like that? So now, as I'm walking up to talking to her on the driver door, because I don't talk to kids, because my niece is a child of me. So I seen that it was a mom, so I walked around and like, why is you doing this in front of all these people? I guess she called herself trying to get out of the car. There's my little brother.
Yeah, he's related to this.
So I guess she called herself trying to get out the car, but instead of getting out like regular, she like pushed the door in. So I pushed the door back like what? And that triggered everything. Now they jump out, run up on me. So I'm like, what you mean? Like this. They popped the trunk. I can carry them. So now I'm like, what's going on? I'm in the store now. Cause I'm thinking she can go get a gun. So I run in the store. I'm looking like this. So now I'm like, what's going on? My niece run up with a bat, like, finna hit me with the bat. So I'm like, watch out. So she's like, oh, you finna go to jail. How am I go to jail? Cause you finna attack me with a bat.
Sure is.
Okay.
You get my name, I can get your name then off your plate.
I know, I understand. But at the end of the day, I understand, but I really feel like.
Can you do me a favor? Because I got here late.
Okay.
Can you start from the beginning?
I'm gonna start from the beginning.
Just so I can understand.
Okay. Now, a week or so before all this happened.
What happened today? I only care about today.
I know. I'm just getting backstory so you can hear me.
Okay.
Hey, Terry,
hey, listen, focus.
Okay.
We've been out
So
here
now-
before, so I kind of.
Okay. So now they come up here, they show out. So now I'm at the store. They see me. They never got a chance to see me since all this happened.
Okay.
So now when her mom get out, she look at me. So I look at her. She didn't say nothing to me. I say, no. Who's mom? My niece's mom.
We've been out here before.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, I guess she going to call and tell my niece, your uncle, they'll talk to her.
Is this the same niece that got kicked out of here?
A verbal argument turned chaotic outside a store. The person's friend was driving their rental truck. A woman approached about a past dispute involving his mother, and things escalated when she and others got aggressive. His niece threatened him with a bat. He tried to avoid confrontation, and police arrived to detain him while investigating the incident.
Windows down. Now it become like
Windows are down in her car.
In her car.
And
I'm
you're outside.
standing out there.
Okay.
So now it become like a verbal thing. Oh, that and this and this. So I'm like, why y'all?
Between her mom and
right. So now
Okay.
I'm like, why is you doing all this about my mom in front of everybody like this?
Okay.
But I'm walking. Once I walk up there, I walk to her side. Cause first I went to walk toward my niece's side. Like,
If you want to prosecute, I need initials there, okay?
see, best thing about that's great. Cause I don't want to put my damn niece in jail. But what I'm supposed to do? That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Have you guys lived together?
See, I'm raised these kids.
Okay, so we'll get to that point in a second. Just first and last name, everything you told me, you know, what happened at the store, how her mom opened the door, step by step, okay?
I was up here seeing some boy named Chris.
Okay, so Chris,
And I was talking to
is he
Chris.
still here?
That's his homeboy. He gone.
But Chris not here?
No, Chris gone. I could call him and just put on a conversation with Chris and say, Chris, you can see I ain't say shit to him. That's why it's for him to come up here and walk up to me and slap me. I ain't say nothing to him.
Where he slapping?
He slapped me in my face.
No, like where? Like can I see? Like where?
He literally slapped me. Ask the kids in the car.
Okay.
He walked to the car door and slapped me. If they got cameras, pull the cameras, sir.
Let me go check. Talk to him. I'm gonna go inside and figure out what's going on.
Yeah, pull the camera.
All right, but we'll figure it out. Okay.
Whatever y'all got going on there.
What happened today?
My uncle, like, he tweaking again.
What he did?
Like, he put a gun on me. He pointed straight at my head. Like, dead at my head.
They told him he wrong.
He pointed at you.
Excuse me,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, but
Did I do anything? Did we do anything to anybody?
Listen, we'll talk to him.
They'll tell you.
Look, we're gonna have somebody talk to him. Just talk to him.
So was it in the video where you?
All right. So what happened to him?
so my mom,
I was trying to get
he hit my mom like.
Let's come over here.
The confrontation at a store escalated when a woman, upset over a past dispute, approached a man. She pushed her car door, hinted at retrieving something from her trunk, and created a threatening atmosphere. His niece swung a bat at him. He tried to defend himself, and a friend allegedly slapped him. Police arrived to document and investigate the chaotic situation.
Please tell him to leave me alone.
Listen.
What? You don't have to yell.
Because he don't care. I care.
I can't understand it when you're yelling.
But that's how I talk. I
He's
don't
talking.
care.
So,
Well, I'm
that's how I
sorry that we
talk.
can't understand you.
Yeah, you're
That's how I talk. I don't care.
Listen.
I heard you talking normally
Because you've
earlier when
been
you
nasty
talked
with
to
us
the
from the
car.
whole situation from what happened.
I didn't talk to you
and
last
this
time.
was an uncle that even wasn't there.
Okay. So listen, you screaming out loud.
But this is how I talk.
Can I
This is
finish,
how I
please?
talk.
You're giving everybody else the story, and now I can't get anything because now everything's mixing together. So you guys came and dropped off a key. Came to the store. What happened after that?
We came to the store. Hold on, wait. Okay. So we came
And
to
you
the
know he's
store.
home.
We
You know
came
he's
to the
home,
store.
but you don't
I
like
want to get
getting
something
in
to
there.
drink.
You know he's
He's
home.
sitting right
I ain't
there.
say nothing to nobody, and you know that. He walked in my car.
And we just sitting at the store right here. Well, we sitting in the store grabbing something to drink. Boom, they sitting right there talking whatever like that.
Who's there?
My Uncle T, his friend.
Okay.
My Uncle T, his friend.
So
I
what-
just say I'll put up because they left in the same car.
Okay.
They came in.
It was a whole bunch of them. I didn't see them here when I was here.
Mom, I got you.
Brother, where you at, bro?
So they put in there and they sitting right here talking whatever like that. He see me, he see my mom. He already called my mama ass.
Okay. So he said something to her, right?
Yes.
And then what happened?
My
after that?
mama left and was like, he come in the car, he talking to me whatever crazy whatever like
He's
that.
talking to you.
Yes, my mama said, yo, Uncle T over there, he talking crazy from happy to that situation. So I said, Mom, just ignore it. My mama ignored it, right? He come to the car, mind you. I went until I come to the car. I'm just looking at him. I ain't say nothing to him. I didn't say nothing to him. He come to the car, he talking about, he come on this side.
Okay.
I'm trying to explain to you, because this is, he come to the car, he talking, he was like, hey, put it in, because I'm not trying to hear nothing y'all talking about. So he said, I don't even talk to kids. Basically brushing me off and went to my mama's side. Mind you, my mama had already had her car though because she was already getting in her car. So like this. Mind you, I come up already at this point. I got a bet in self-defense. Like, you finna pull out a gun on me. So I'm standing up here. I'm like, bro, wait, you my uncle, bro. You my uncle. He said, I'll blow your shit back. I said, you blow my shit back. He pulled out a gun, pointed dead at me. I swear to God, I kid you not. He pointed that bitch at me. He was like, I'll blow your shit back. I'll blow your shit back. And I started crying because that shit hurt. You told your niece, your blood ass niece, you would blow her shit back with a gun in my face. I could have lost my life if my uncle was really that crazy to blow that shit back.
Tensions escalated when a man allegedly slapped a woman's mother at a store. He then threatened to use a gun, pointing it at a family member. The niece reacted with a bat in self-defense. Witnesses are trying to clarify events while police document the situation. Everyone involved is agitated, and the scene remains chaotic and dangerous.
Yes, Nate.
Okay, listen, ma'am.
Nate, hold on. I'm on the hood, Nate. Here my uncle wants you, Nate. My brother wants you. You know who he is. Whatever you all had going on last week, that between y'all.
Why yelling at me?
Because I'm mad. That's your niece.
We're trying to figure
The last time y'all kicked her stuff out and pointed a gun at her, he didn't do nothing. Didn't do nothing. Y'all trespassed her from the house. This the second time y'all got a chance to pull out the gun. He talking to her, I'm your niece. I'm your niece. Talk to me. That's all she went asking. Talk to me. Whatever problem me and you got going on, you wasn't there. Ask me what happened.
You're saying that, but what the video shows is her running up to the door with a bat.
No, she going to the door. He don't want to be in it because that's his homeboy. She like, talk to me. I'm your niece. Oh, you wasn't there.
With a bat.
No, because he hit me, and she had that bat
But
because
she had
they can
a
heal her too. You
see
get
how
what I'm
that-
saying?
you see how that
But
contradicts?
you're right.
Talk to me, but I have a bat in my hand. It doesn't make any. It contradicts, right? That's what we're trying to figure out, right? Okay. I get it. You're
These
upset.
niggas gotta die. I swear to God, they do. I swear to God, the only
Take a breath.
Corroborate their stuff, right? You want him to
right? To pay for what he's doing, right? That's what you said. I heard you say that multiple times. So help us, right?
I get a video to the state attorney. I don't.
That's not gonna help him get charges.
She don't care. If y'all, just what she's trying to say, gotta stop talking to her. That's what she's trying to say.
Well, you guys called us here. That's the thing.
I did.
So
but
what?
I don't got to give up. Like my brother said, the way he heard y'all treating
what do you guys
and talking to me, I'm pressing charges, but I don't have to release the video.
You're gonna press charges, but you don't want to cooperate.
I'm not giving up the video. I can give the video to the state attorney. I don't did it before.
She's gonna file a report by the end of the day.
That's what we're doing right now.
Okay, no.
If y'all don't file it, I'm going to the police department.
Exactly.
This is the police department. What are you talking about?
Y'all was being nasty though.
How were we being nasty? You guys were running around screaming. We're trying to get you guys corralled and calm down so we can actually get a story from you guys.
Y'all don't know.
We just get.
Yeah, she did finally.
I'm not showing him the video. I'm getting a video to the state attorney. I do want to press charges. You see my face. He walked to the car.
Okay, so the state attorney will ask us to.
No, I can give it to him like I did the last time.
Okay.
When the police treated me unfairly, I already got a lawyer for this case right here. I'm only supposed to be talking to him, period, point blank. For the videos when they pulled the gun out on her, pulled the dick out, told her to they did, and kicked all her stuff out. Nobody went to jail. And she was living with them. Y'all brought her over there to do her like that. Treat my child.
I understand how you're feeling now. So we got a medical here for you right now, right? And then.
And I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant? 4 months pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
And he know that.
Okay, so this wasn't even the uncle that was had with the first.
He wasn't even there the first incident.
This is a completely different person.
Yeah. It's a whole different uncle. And I even literally talked to him and told him, I still love you, but what happened, this was last week. I texted him and told him I love you and this and that, and I sent him the...
She claims a man threatened her with a gun and she held a bat in self-defense. The police are trying to sort out conflicting stories and gather evidence, but she refuses to share video proof while insisting on pressing charges. Emotions are high, family members are arguing, and the situation is tense and chaotic.
The bad thing about that portion is that she had the bat in her hand. That's the only thing.
No, she thought he was going to hit her too.
Okay.
He was already, he still had the
point. A bat gets a gun is way, a gun is way more dangerous.
Honestly, no, I get you that.
You can write your statement. Nobody never said you can't write your statement, Mom. But I don't want to deal with them. Period. Point blank. When I deal with certain police, no. What happened to the police that was there when the first get go?
That was us.
No, y'all wasn't there.
I wasn't there, but it was the squad.
It don't matter. Stop lying.
Why you just calling me a liar for? So listen, if you don't write a statement, there is no probable cause to arrest him. Because is this her word against his, right? Yeah, it is. If you're not writing a statement, you're not cooperating with us, then we have nothing else. He's gonna go free again. So you pick. It's not for me. You're not doing me a favor, right? It's for her.
I got a question. I don't care what they got going on at that door, but walking up to this car, he still need to go to jail for.
That's what we're trying to
for
do.
slapping me.
We're trying
and
to
I'm
get that
pregnant.
done.
He walked to the car.
Yes.
I wasn't nowhere up there to him or in his face.
Yeah.
My mom, like, talk to me, hit me. Don't hit my mama. My mama ain't got nothing with me and what we got going on. I love my mama just like you love my mama. And we grew up together. I grew up with these boys. They grandma raised me and she dead. And it hurts to write a statement against you because you could have came and helped me. Sis, whatever you and my mama got going on, you still family. I can show you a text in my phone where I text them, bro, I love you and everything, but what just happened with my daughter over there, I'm going on about my life. And he's like, I love you too, sis. I ain't thinking it's still heat.
Send it.
You get what I'm saying? I'm not thinking it's still heat. Whatever y'all got going on, you didn't have to hit me.
Just hit a mark so you know.
And that's your knees. If you feel any type of way, take off the belt and whoop her ass. Guess what I'm saying? Whoop her ass.
Yeah. Hey, front seat bat, right? No, who has? Okay, we're gonna detain her right now because she's. Okay, yeah. Come on. Hey,
stop!
Get out.
Get off of me! Bro, get off of me!
Get out now. Hey!
Get off of me!
Get out
now!
You want to stand Stop resisting.
Whoa! You don't look on me. Y'all gotta do all that. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Okay, just stay like
I'm
that.
not resisting.
All right, perfect. Relax.
I'll play that. I mean,
Sorry, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I got it.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Y'all don't have to do all this. I'm not resisting.
Hair's in the way to come.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Why y'all? What y'all doing? Why y'all taking me to jail?
You're okay.
Why y'all taking me to jail?
You're being detained like we told you.
Bro, I don't have to be detained. Well, I'm not doing nothing to be detained. I didn't do anything. It ain't no investigation. I don't have to talk to y'all. Y'all cannot make me talk to y'all.
Then stop talking.
Bro, let me go. Y'all arrested me.
No, you're being detained.
Bro, stop talking.
Coming up with
Hey, come on, you gotta get up. Relax for a second.
I'm
Mom's telling you just to calm down, okay?
I'm not resisting.
Roll over so we can try to get you up, okay? Roll to your side. Roll to your side. There you go.
Now sit up. Sit up.
Perfect. Now lean forward, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Even your mom's telling you just to relax for a second,
I don't
okay?
care because I'm not doing anything. Let me go.
Hold on, Jason.
Oh.
She has health issues, including diabetes and high blood pressure. The police are trying to get her to provide a statement to press charges, but she is emotional, refuses full cooperation, and tensions are escalating with detainment, confusion, and resistance. Right now, the woman is being medically checked while arguing with police about detainment. She is frustrated, resisting control, and family members are involved, making the situation tense and emotionally charged. The charges in this case involve assault and threats, like a violent confrontation escalating in public. Subpoenas may be issued to gather witness statements and video evidence to support the investigation and potential prosecution. Don't forget to like and sub my channel for more updates on this story.